Oh, there we go. Hi everyone, this is Let Train Person and we're doing something stupid.
Yes, we're doing something stupid. The greatest train ever seen.
This is the
Ever
biggest
seen
train I've
game.
ever run. Well, second biggest. I've run on a 100-car train before, but we don't talk about that. Alright, highball! We ain't got no time to lose.
Alright. Come on! 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 Keep going! Keep going! Keep going!
We got it!
Holy Jesus! I just hope this doesn't go wrong. Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Yes, I think this is going to strain the couplings on the wagons. I'm pretty sure this will damage the couplings. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Go, 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 go.
We got places to be.
Go, 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 go. Faster, faster.
I want to.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, heavy good straight.
Come on.
Heavy freight train. Long ass freight. And the end of the train hasn't even entered the tunnel yet.
I think the end of the train is still at depot.
No, it's at the tunnel actually.
It just entered the tunnel.
Come on, 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 come on.
You should really rename the railroad to the Little Railroad That Could.
More like the Little Engines That Could. Okay, start slowing down. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down.
I'm just going full power, you can slow down.
Let's just hope. I mean, we're lagging pretty badly, so I'm pretty sure that slowing down is the best option.
You might see the back of the Mark train pop out of the tunnel pretty soon.
Any second now. Any second now. Considering this bends are too blooming sharp, we could have just made them straight. But no, let's go, steam, more power, more steam.
Give it all the beans.
I'm trying to.
Oh, we gotta get the switch up ahead.
Okay, start slowing down. Think about slowing down. Brake.
I'm just going. You keep. I'm just gonna keep the power on. We need the power on for this.
I have full brake now.
Full brake.
Stop pushing now. Stop pushing, Will. I think we got it to a nice decent speed now. Hold on, let me see performance. How's performance going? Not that good. Okay, go. Okay, let it roll. Oh, bother. No.
Hey, the J2 outpowers the B class, so if anything, I can hold it back.
Sure thing. Okay, we got it. We wanted the switch open, right?
Yeah, we're going the right way.
Good. We're going the left way.
Yeah, well,
Well, we made it. We made it. We made it. Look at us go, gentlemen. We run the greatest railway and everybody knows it. Hold me back.
The back of our train.
Good thing we arrived. Gentlemen, we arrived. Oh look, our game is no longer laggy. I can tell it by the speed.
Hey, they said the engines could do this, so we did it. You might want to grab that
Little
switch.
engines can do big things.
You might want to grab that switch. You might want to grab that switch.
Oh fuck.
We're going through the loop.
Too late. The loop?
Yeah, the blown loop.
Oh, we'll just be at the other side
Yeah.
in any second. But I think we should think about slowing down or coasting because we might be going faster than we think.
Well, the loop is rated for high speed. I built it myself using switches. This is such a cool part of the line that I love.
I'm no longer powering the train. You are pushing it because you're literally a beast.
The majority of the trip, if I just had the power on, like, throttle on the steering, reverse.
No more steam. No more steam. Power off.
Coasting.
We're going to stop. Oh, stop. Oh, blooming hell, we were still not passing through the tunnel. Our train is just entering the tunnel on the other side.
Alright, and let's bring it to a stop. Well, that was terribly eventful.
That was a bit scary. For one moment I had...
This is going down like it is in Railroads Online when I look at the sky.
Sometimes it feels scary that because you think you are going to crash or die.
My god.
This is the largest train I ever seen. It would surprise me if this was the largest train in SMS.
Probably largest recorded.
The largest recorded.
And two idiots on laptops just running it, just like with a J2 and a B. Just like all the stupid.
Okay, this is very scary. The little thing is very scary.
When I start lagging hard, it reminds me of Railroads Online.
Yes, I think I saw your videos when you're lagging hard.
My laptop's just not built to handle Railroads Online.
Nor is mine. That's one of the reasons why I don't have it. Plus I'm broke. Oh, the lag is clearing a bit.
stop. We
I'm
have to cover
trying. You're too heavy.
Bring it back, bring it back.
Stop.
I mean, if you want, you can run the iron ore to the ironworks, and I'll just run the cars back to lumber mill to the lumber mill to put them in the yard.
Okay. Did you just say iron ore?
Iron ore to the ironworks.
Well, this is giving me another vibe, but never mind that. I'm going to take a load of iron ore. You take
So
you take the wood.
So then, if you want, I can back up. We can back up to the point where I pass this switch. Then you can run to, and then I'll just unload the train. You can grab. Then when I'm done unloading you can grab the hoppers and then run it to.
Once we are done unloading the wood, I'll just go to the switch that's ahead. That's the head, and then we'll just see. Keep going. Keep going. Keep there. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Also, sorry guys about the lag. It's not just on your end; it's on our end too. Two little engines that could.
Hauling a large train, which is probably the reason why we need it. Why, if we have two, I think if one already struggles, then two maybe just would barely do it.
You know, I want to run this train on my own to see if the J2 could handle it on its own.
Then I'll shell and couple and go ahead to the other switch, waiting for you to pass.
I'll leave the hoppers up here for you, so that way you can go run it to the ironworks.